Welcome to my channel, Learn with Teacher Ali. Hello children! Our topic for today is about reading alphabet stories. If you are ready, let's get started! The Snake. Sally was a slithery snake. She did not wear shoes. She did not wear slippers. She did not wear socks. Sally had no feet. Sally was a slithery snake. Sally slid in the sand. Sally slid under the sun. Sally slid over stones. Sally liked to slide. Children, it's your turn to read. Tom's toys. Tom had 3 toy trucks. The first truck was thin. The next truck was tall. The last truck was tiny. Tom has 2 toy trains too. The trains sat on a truck. The trains took a trip down the track. The trains went to a toy town. Children, it's your turn to read. The ugly umbrella. Uma had an ugly umbrella. It had too many pictures. It had a unicorn on it. It had a unicycle on it. It had an umpire too. Uma did not want to use it. The umbrella was just too ugly. She did not even want to be under it. Her brother Ulf used it instead. Children, it's your turn to read. Violet Valley. Val visited the village. The village was in a valley. The valley had a very nice view. The valley was full of violets. Val loved violets. Violets were her favorite flowers. Val liked violets very much. Val wanted to move to the village. Children, it's your turn to read. Summer and winter. When it was summer, Wayne went to the beach for a week. Wayne swam in the water. Wayne watched the waves. Wayne walked by the water. When it was winter, Wayne went to the woods for a week. Wayne wore warm clothes. Wayne watched from his window. Wayne saw wild animals. Children, it's your turn to read. fairies. Saiza was a forest pixie. She used a big axe. She kept bees to make wax. She lived in a tiny box. He had a pet fox. Roxy was a water nixie. She liked to fix boats. She liked to mix paint. She could make a bad jinx. She had a pet lynx. Children, it's your turn to read. Yuki loves yellow. Yuki was a young girl. Yuki loved yellow things. She loved a yard with yellow flowers. She loved a yellow kitty cat. She loved a yellow dragonfly. She loved a yellow sky at sunset. She loved yellow worms and yarn. The boy next door had yellow hair, but she didn't love him. Well, not yet anyway. Children, it's your turn to read. The zither. Zach goes to zoo. Zach goes to play the zither. Zach plays where snake go slither. He is not lazy about zither. He plays until he gets dizzy. He works his mom into a tizzy. When Zach plays his zither, he's playing always amazed, and people cast their gazes. Children, it's your turn to read. Good job, everyone! Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!